How to fix Instagram not letting you log in. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can fix if Instagram is not letting us log in, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If Instagram is not letting you log in, there are a couple of things that you can do. First of all, long press the Instagram app icon, tap the I button, and then go to storage, clear cache, and then make sure to clear the data. After you've done that, go ahead and then open up Instagram, and in order to log into your account, just make sure that your credentials are correct. So make sure that your username as well as your password is also correct. If you're lucky and that your account is saved, you can log in using one of your saved accounts. But if you have turned on two-factor authentication, it might ask you to verify it on an old device where your Instagram account is still logged in, so you might want to verify that, or you might want to verify with your phone number. Make sure that you have access to it and you should be good to go. And then after you've done all of that, you should be able to log in to Instagram without any sort of issues. This way you can fix if Instagram is not letting you log in. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.